Hey folks, Johnny Vanderford here, Lorraine County Community College, MEMS and microelectronics manufacturing degree. I just saw some really cool posts on LinkedIn. And we recently actually had a visitor from a company that dropped by the college. I wanted to just make a quick mention of here. The folks from Quality Electrodynamics stopped by. These folks are on the east side of Cleveland, and they are looking for a variety of folks to fill in many different technical positions with this. Some of the products that they make, kind of neat with this here. Let me see if I can find what I think in their manuals kind of describes actually kind of a good picture of what some of these things actually look like. So they make MRI equipment. In particular, they make, well, that was, I've downloaded a Russian manual with that. It might be, I have them a different, Bulgarian manual, excuse me. I got to download the English one here. Thank you. There we are there. So they make MRI equipment, coils and electronics that fit into the coils for hospital equipment for general electric appliances, which is kind of a neat thing to be able to see. What I wanted to bring to your attention is with the circuit boards that they manufacture, they have a variety of careers available. Now, I stopped by on their webpage all the time, to be able to see things like electronics technician, electronics repair technician, manufacturing engineer for SMT. Like they are looking for a lot of folks with this on here. Going into like, for instance, the electronics repair technician, you'll notice that one of the things that they're looking for is being able to use hand tools such as soldering irons with this. And in fact, actually, when you get to there, soldering iron will be tested, must successfully complete a hands-on training within the introductory period. Your interview may actually include a soldering experience while you are looking at getting a job here with this, which is interesting to be able to see, right? They have a lot of positions available. This shows on their LinkedIn page, which if you look at their posts, then now hiring electronics repair. Now, great opportunity. Apply today, electronics technician, right? So there's a lot of posts that follow with this company right here. So, my opinion, it's worth following on LinkedIn. But I wanted to show you some of the other LinkedIn posts that I recently came across with here. One of the SMT support managers, Crystal, asked you over here, put in a great video of a chip shooter. Take a look at that, huh? Oh, fast that thing is zipping. That thing, because it's rotating around like a turret, it's feeding in parts into these feeders over here, and it's placing them down onto these little areas that are listed over here. So it's incredibly fast in terms of how fast that actually works with that. Chip shooters are just pick-and-play systems that are just unbelievably fast in terms of how fast they work. So a very impressive movie in terms of what that looks like there. We had this other one here was a neat post all about solder balling. In particular with it, I was impressed with this here. Various reasons why solder balling happens with this. Solder paste printing, improper pad design, expired solder paste. This one was really kind of a surprise. I hadn't thought about this. Component placed with too many Z-axis down forces by the pick and place machine. So if like you're pushing too hard into the printed paste, that can cause the paste to sploosh off with it in the end with it there. So that was one that I'm actually might make into a homework assignment for the students with that. A neat bird technology showcasing some of the parts that they make with this here. We got this guy Esteban. I'm not really following this guy at all, but I saw that Bird Technologies really like this because they showcase all the stuff that they're making with it there. A neat picture of what. See if I can get a better image with this here. What an SMT line looks like. That's kind of a fascinating view of a 3-line SMT line with it. There was obviously something going on in the background there. Looks like a very clean manufacturing space for this here. So kind of a neat look with this here. Oh, let's see, who's this? PMTX XM PVT Ltd. So it's a probably offshore company with that on there, but still very neat to see with that there. This I just thought was cool. So this was just a, let's see, don't need the music necessarily slow out this. I'm gonna turn it down to it here. All right, so they start with a chip. There's the chip package. There's the die with the wire bonds on the inside the chip. That's the silicon interface with it there. There's the die with all the wire bonds that are attached to it. They're zooming into a transistor area with this there, and that showcases the transistors and the components that are on the die. So just a neat, like, all-in-one stuff. I love videos that are like that. I love videos that showcase kind of everything all together with it there. You have another company, Intervala, which is really looking to hire folks with this on here, which is just like, I don't know, the more you can get involved with the company like Intervala, it seems like they really care for their folks in terms of where they work for it. If they're highly recommend taking a look at them. And QLab Corporation, this is a company that's kind of hidden in Westlake. And they're just like, I don't know, this is a company that everyone that's worked there has been really happy working there. I've been to the place, very clean facility. They build weather testing equipment. And so they're kind of a neat company to be able to check out at some point with it here. Big supporter of our program as well, hiring students out of our program and participating on the advisory committee for them too. So really neat stuff on LinkedIn. Just wanted to make a quick video about that there. So, all right, folks, we will see you around on the next one. See you later. Bye bye.